problem of the day. So today's problem of the day is EMAS as well. Question is very interesting. The question says a man's salary increases by 8,000 each year. If his total salary at the end of 12 years is 18,525,000, you're supposed to find his initial salary. And then the second question says you are supposed to find his salary in the 12th year. So this is a very interesting question, but I would like to introduce to you this channel where we solve Wassce questions and then Wassce past questions, Wassce based questions. So if you're in SHS or in JHS, if you're also at a university and then you have a lot to do or you have something to do with WAEC, kindly subscribe to the channel. If you are also a maths teacher, kindly subscribe to this channel as we solve maths problems, physics problems, and for the maths is EMAS and core maths. We solve these problems each and every single day. So kindly join us as we do this every single day, and I believe it will help you. So first of all, in a way or two, I highly recommend that you pause the video and then try to solve this question on your own. And if you're able to solve it, fine. If you are not able to solve it, no problem. We'll do it together. And even if you're able to solve it, you can still observe how I'm doing mine as well, which might help you in a way. So as the question demands in here, you're supposed to find the initial salary. In this case, it's a series and sequence question. And then the question is telling us that it increases by 8,000 every single year. And then at the end of 12 years, the amount that he had from the very beginning until the time that he's ending, which is after 12 years, is 18,525,000. Okay, so in this case, we believe that our common difference, that was the first thing that was given, is 8,000, right? And then we know that the Sn, in this case, that will be the S12. In other words, sum to the 12th term was given as 18,525,000, right? And with that, we are supposed to find their initial salary. We believe that Sn is given by the formula n on 2 multiplying 2a plus n minus 1d, right? So in this case, S12 is going to be 12 on 2 multiplying 2a plus 12 minus 1 will give us 11, so 11d, right? And then we should know that 12 on 2 is 6, right? So 6 multiplying 2a plus 11 multiplying the d. The d in this case is 8,000, right? So that is it. So we have 6 multiplying 2a plus 88000, right? And that should give me 12a plus 528,000. And we know that that amount or that kind of equation is equal to this, right? So in this case, it will be 18525,123, something like that. Okay, so we just need to group like terms. I'll continue from here. So 12a is equal to 18525 minus 528,000. So 12a is equal to 1799700. So a is equal to 1799700 divided by 12. A is equal to 1499750. Okay, so during that time, the amount that he had, or his initial salary, is actually this amount. So this amount, aka 1,499,750 cedis. So that was the amount that he had from the very beginning. All right, so with the second question, the question says you're supposed to find his salary in the 20th year. So in the 20th year, we definitely know that UN, in this case, will be U20. That will be equal to A plus n minus 1d. In this case, it will be a plus 20 minus 1d, and in this case, it will be a plus 19d, right? So let me just continue from here. So that will be my first term is 1499750 plus 19 multiplying 8,000, right? So that should give me an amount of 1499750 plus 19 times 8,000 will give me 152,000. and then it will just yield 1651750.00. So the amount that he had on the 12-year is 1651750, aka 1,651 cedis 750. That's the amount that he had. Okay, so in this case, there's the amount that he had on the 12-year. So this is a problem of the day. We've been able to solve it perfectly. Thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate your time, and as I said earlier, kindly subscribe to the channel as we always solve questions like this in terms of E-maths, commerce, physics, and then English. Thank you.